From your dashboard, you can instantly see key metrics. To access past transactions, begin by navigating to the New Order screen, where all your sales start. Need to find a previous order? Simply click the three dots in the top right corner and select Order History to instantly pull up your records. Search by order number or customer name to get order details instantly. See key details like order type R, payment method, and amount. Click the preview icon for a quick, detailed receipt view. Managing past orders has never been easier. From this single screen, you can effortlessly handle customer needs. Use the dedicated action buttons to quickly process returns or make adjustments to any order, saving you valuable time. For even faster access, your dashboard includes a dedicated order history button under Quick Actions. This powerful shortcut puts your entire transaction history just one click away. This shortcut opens the same powerful order history window, giving you immediate access to search, preview, and manage any past order. Effortlessly keep track of every transaction with Foodnerd POS.